What's going on, guys? It's Sneakerhead616 back here with another video, and we have these super faded Aqua 6s. Now you guys can see, like, I don't even have to get it too close. You guys can see, like, apparently they were cleaned. The owner attempted to clean them, and ended up messing them, just completely drying them out. On this shoe, there's no rough spots. But on this shoe, you can see like these stand out, especially like even when I rub them back and forth, they don't change color or nothing like that. So definitely interesting project. We're definitely gonna get these nice and conditioned, and I might end up dyeing them again, but we'll see. So let's just go ahead and try to assess the Suede situation. All right, so I'm gonna use my X-Acto knife just to see if. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna start with the Suede eraser and see what it does to these marks. And it actually seems to be fading it. You guys can see it compared to the others here. So I'm just gonna keep doing this for a little while and see if we make any real progress. So I ended up using my glue eraser for those like tough spots, and now they kind of have like a nap again. I could go back and forth. So it seems like it just needs to be conditioned now. But like I said, I'm just gonna go over the entire thing with the Suede eraser and the tough spots, the glue eraser, and then we come back and we start to condition the shoes. We may not have to dye them, but we're gonna see. All right, so I finished erasing the entire shoe. I even brushed it out a little bit with my brass bristle brush right here. Now I'm just gonna use some Angelus mink oil to go ahead and condition the shoes. And I'm gonna use my soft texture brush to go ahead and brush it in. All right, guys, at this point, the shoes are completely finished. The Suede is nice and lustrous again. You do the Suede test here, you guys can see the nap goes back and forth, and it's just nice and buttery, has a nice buttery feel again. So, if you guys want this treatment done to your own sneakers, DM IG at Drestorations. It's spelled D Restorations altogether. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you can drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. Or DM me, send me the pictures, whatever you need help with. I'm always glad to help. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.